Hello and welcome to the Tech Learners YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to create an HTML based simple browser supporting HTML app that will convert our PDFs according to our requirement, like PDF converter in JPG to PDF, PDF to JPG, PDF split, PDF merge, and PDF compress feature include it. So for this I'm using DeepSeek chatbot AI. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or other AI if you want to, but I am especially demonstrating in this video about the prompt, how we can write prompt and it will create for us an interactive and useful tool, PDF converter. Like with it, this will be offline, this will be local storage. It doesn't upload any pictures or your documents to the internet, so it is more secure because it just run on the browser and stored in your in our local PC. So let's start. So I'm going to input the prompt for this. So it is started to create its HTML code. So let's wait till it will complete its code. This is just demo for the PDF. You can use AI for creating other. The word is mastering the AI to creating their application softwares, but we are using free version and we can use it for our day-by-day usage because I need in my office PDF conversion many times. So this is very useful for me. I created in my office and I'm demonstrating all of you guys this. So please be with me how we will use it and what is the benefit for us. It is very beneficial. It's very useful for us. It is totally professional. So we can run here also how it looks. If wow, this is Omni PDF, so this gives a name beautifully. So here we can choose our files and it will upload. So I'm just uploading it. So PDF to JPG, it will extract all the images and it's just downloaded it. So I'm going to download here. So just I used I love PDFs and other online sources, but this is totally offline. So I'm just save it. So let's see how it works for me. Just extract here. So this extracted the image from the image from our PDF. So it can also create PDFs, PDF from PDF from our JPG files. So here is also you can choose the JPG files and open, and it will just create a PDF, PDF split, and the PDF compress. So this is the demonstration running on the browser, so just download it. Nothing we will do, we can just copy it and paste it in our HTML file manually, but I am going to download it and saving in my desktop. I just saved here, so just saved in the desktop. I'm just clicking it and it's open. Boom. Wow, it's a very good features. So we can customize it for our other. So I'm adding something else here. So adding the sidebar and give it name learners PDF shoot. So it is improving our PDF editor or converter. So let's wait for. Completing. It takes a few minutes to code, you know. So AI takes time. So it is the demo how we can use our AI, our resource AI to create our useful tools. Just it's an app, but it's a on browser. So PDF workstation, it added the sidebars. So here is also features. It is also workable, fully functionable. I am downloading it and replacing this name and save it and just can just copy the code and paste in out the HTML file. This is also option here. What happens? Internet gone slow. Okay, let's replace it. My internet goes slow, so it doesn't working. What happened? So okay, just right click on it and open with notepad. Yes, notepad. I just saved it. Okay, so beautifully you can customize according to your needs. So thanks for watching and keep supporting tech learners to get more informative videos like this.